In this tutorial I will show you how to fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. First, open your phone settings. Go to Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then on Allowed Apps. And make sure Safari is toggled on. Now go back. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down again. And click on Clear History and Website Data. And then scroll a little. And tap on Advanced. Then tap on Experimental Features. Scroll all the way down. And select Reset All to Default. And this should fix your iPhone issue.